The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Our 28-day meal plan guides you every step of the way. And it's more than a plan. It's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you and see what you're made of. It's time to take the 28-Day Keto Challenge. 1. To get started, you'll learn the basics of the keto diet, how it was developed, how it works, 13 tips for success, foods to enjoy, and more. 2. Eating well on keto. In this guide, you'll get 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes, plus a companion 28-day meal plan calendar. 3. Staying in ketosis. You'll learn how to get into ketosis in as little as 3 days, how to know if you're in ketosis, and much more. 4. Mastering macros. Learn how to calculate your macronutrients and maintain the proper ratios to stay in ketosis. 5. Beating keto flu. What the keto flu is and how to make it go away quickly if you experience any symptoms. 6. Intermittent fasting. Learn about 5 different styles of intermittent fasting to kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. 7. Social situations. Discover healthy ways of dealing with social pressures. Includes tips for eating out and guidelines for drinking alcohol. This is what makes weight loss sustainable. 8. Guilt-free desserts. This cookbook contains 36 mouth-watering, fat bomb recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping you in ketosis. 9. Yummy avocado recipes. Discover 5 unique keto-friendly ways to prepare avocados. 10. Keto Supplements Guide. Learn about 12 of the best keto supplements that will help you transition to ketosis and make the ketogenic diet more effective. Do you have what it takes for the 28-day keto challenge? It's time to step up and prove what you're made of. The keto diet is the right diet at the right time to help you achieve your weight loss goals. And the 28-day keto challenge is the right plan to get you there.